Project Director PIU Shillong ka National Highways Authority of India NHAI Anand Singh Chauhan khaatri uyayong ulaong baya ka Jynkieng RCC ka Bnai Dwar Ksuid Report District la ban Pyndep no ha Bnai ban wan ya kabalat mu ban Pyndep hadu bakut Bnai nailar kini ka Jynkieng ka menswa ka don hapo ka Jingpet ka tanat PWD ka jela bala IT sya ka NHAI hadir bakal apeni ya kidapot pan namare kani lashna ya ka Jynkieng ka bashipot hadin namar bagi kali kit mar kimna banyak ling bajangka lashna no ya ka Jynkieng RCC. Project Director ulia tu bakitrok di bakit hadu henrup hutan kila banyat halor ke Jynkieng RCC ke Batamai. Hakabaya de bagi Jynkieng bersipot. Project Director ulaong bawa lala de ban penprano eka henry namal bakadanglong ban pendankam anam penprasyu eka bat on ai jing pendankam peringkat ke jing perking.
It was to be demolished, but because it is in functional, it is in functional, functional form. So it will not be admirable to demolish existing bridge because it is in working condition. Rectification may be done later on, or any requirement that 2 to 4 lane may be done. Then this bridge may be used. On that, RCC bridge has been restricted to 10 km per hour or 1 by 1 vehicle. At a time, 1 vehicle will pass on that valley bridge. Actually, this is 2 lane bridge, but at present it is functioning as a single lane.